Hello Internet friends, in this video I will be working on the 01412 aft bulkhead. This is where the tie down is attached to, and I'm excited because it's basically the last piece that I need before I start riveting the skins to the aft fuselage. So basically you need to pay attention here because you need to dimple the web or the face of these bulkheads in the right direction. So that's what we did in the last video, and then in this video we're riveting them together and attaching the tie down bracket, and then we will cleco them into the aft position on the aft fuselage. That's a lot of afts. Short video today because today I went to work on a day trip to San Diego, so went there and back same day. Got back, had just about an hour to do this, which is all I needed, and I even included a couple mistakes that I made. I riveted 2 rivets that I shouldn't have and had to drill them out, but that's okay. It's a thing you can do. As long as you don't mess it up, then you're in trouble. So be careful when you draw out rivets. You don't want to be in trouble, because that costs you money in shipping and parts and time. So you should read the plans first and then rivet stuff together. But it ended up all as well. There you go. And the reason why I went to San Diego today is because when I went there last week, one of the customers didn't have time to meet then and wanted to reschedule for Monday. And instead of, I don't know, it's not selfish to be like, hey, I'm already here, but the customer is always right? Yeah. So anyway, that's why you get paid to show up at meetings. So, speaking about rivets, if you come join our Slack group, we have riveting conversations about rivets. And the link for that Slack group is in the description of this video. And specifically, we talk about riveting vans, RV, aircraft. One thing I've been wondering, where is the vans RV-11 and the RV-5? Like, what was that all about? So, I don't know. Let's chat about it. Go click on the link and come join our group. Okay, in the next video, we will be riveting the skins onto the aft fuselage. So come join us and check that out. In fact, here's the manual page that we're going to be working on. See you then.